Down here at Mickey's. We do the bro looking for trying to see if anybody got one of these trucks selling parts. He want it, man. We out here with Bay down here on 19th and Center. They said he sound good, he running good now. They starting to like it. Y'all see the wheel back on. Standing tall, man. V must have sold this motherfucker. He had to have sold this, because I be seeing it. I got you, bro. Inbox me. I'm on YouTube. I just told him. Okay. Bro had to sold this motherfucker. This the dirtiest I just seen this bitch. I ain't gonna lie. Bro was flagging so hard in this motherfucker on sixes. It's like he just got it painted over. For real. I want to go to the Indiana Classics. I ain't gonna put it on Facebook because I know I really don't do all of the free promotion. But this Saturday, what you do, pimp?
I got that motherfucker dip too. I see something going on, man. I'm pull that bitch out, man, on everything, man.
I got you.
Man, you don't tell me what to do. Hey, boost that motherfucker up. Nigga, don't tell me. Hey, I'm not boost that motherfucker up. Hey, put that ball in. Hey, this ain't the 90s light-skinned nigga. Don't tell dark-skinned nigga shit.
You already been boosted.
Hey, you go that way then.
Well, you go
Love, nigga.
It's my city. You just in it, nigga.
What you do, dog? This Mikey's right here on 19th and Center. They do all of the free. I mean, not all of the free, but they do all of the welding. They was with Sanchez, busting heads like a motherfucker. So we got somebody on the north side now, dead smack in the hood. What you do, nigga? This nigga come out the closet like he's special guest in this shit or something. Where the fuck you come from?
I tell you, man, I'm in that motherfucker cutting up wheels right now.
Yeah, you doing something? You got paint all on your nose and shit?
Hey, man.
I ain't coming in. Y'all got loose animals.
Man, them niggas scary as a bitch.
I ain't going.
What
you doing?
Some food with this twin.
What you doing?
I got done cutting the lip off the gavin, the whole back lip. So you get caught in.
Damn. Okay, I can't be scared of the dog. Hold on. I can't be scared of the dog. Hold on. What's up, bro? Good. Damn. I'm on YouTube right now. Everybody need to know where the fuck to come for welding. He getting it together. So I see what's going on, man. This is the rim shop, tire shop right here. 19th and Center. Y'all know it's official if Monte up here getting damaged. You know it's official. What's up, man? Damn, that dog big as a motherfucker. What that is, bro? XL? Hell yeah. Damn, them motherfuckers getting it together. Old schools everywhere. One on the bottom doing work, one on the top doing work. Teamwork make the dream work, and they doing that shit, people. But for real, if y'all need, like bro he just broke the stem. He broke the stem on his tire. What you do, fucker?
I'm gonna be mad.
What you do? He broke the stem on his tire. And this probably be the only place. This probably be the only place that can fix that type of shit. What it do, dog? Got the pimp wheels on. I've been seeing this. Okay. I've been seeing that P. And I've been asking motherfuckers like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Hell yeah.
I bought it from that teacher.
Yeah, I like from here? Yeah, I like them.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah. Love, bro. Whoever this is up here in the lot getting it together. Getting this bitch together, G.
We're also glad they down here.
Why? You ain't gotta go all the way to the. What up? Why? Because you ain't gotta go all the way to the south side.
Hell yeah.
You ain't gotta go all the way to the south side. You right here in the hood with it.
Hell yeah.
These big ass horses y'all got. What the other dog is? That's an XL bully or something?
Yeah.
That motherfucker. Shit. With that high ass rear end.
Bite a motherfucker.
I ain't fucking with dude. That's a grown ass man. Y'all do everything though, right? Welding, crack rims, tires, framework, body work. Oh yeah. Oh goddamn. Yeah, he big as fuck. How old is he?
7 months?
No, hell no.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
That's a fucking puppy, bro. That's 7 months. That nigga ain't even 1 yet.
Which one? Which
The big one.
That motherfucker 30.
He 33, 35. Nigga older than me.
No, it's a boy, little boy.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me know when y'all breed that. I want one of them puppies. Bro, that's a fucking puppy, bro. 7 months.
Man, that nigga was a puppy 7 years ago.
That nigga was born this year.
Fuck it, what?
Look at this shit.
That nigga named Andy.
Bro.
Andy.
God.
He probably is a puppy.
Damn.
Big motherfucker.
And he trained. Because to be 7 months, he's supposed to be loose, jumping up, wild and shit, acting like a puppy. I don't know, but I was just telling you two, one of them on the floor doing work and the other one on top doing work, goddamn it. Teamwork make the dream work.
I just told bro I appreciate them being down here.
For real, Eddie came over to the north side and they go forever be busy all year round. Y'all gonna be busy. We breaking shit these weak ass streets. I'm with y'all. KG's supposed to be riding in some shit like this. He's supposed to be in a long ass Cadillac on some 16s.
Mustard mayonnaise, sunny spokes. The old rim, we gotta take that hammer. Yeah.
Why you got a hammer?
That's how you get this piece off like this.
Oh, that round part?
You gotta hammer that motherfucker off.
Oh yeah. It's like a dating, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a piece that go over. He ain't got the piece to go over. That's why they fucking do. You dig up hammering that. They don't supposed to be hammering that. That's the you dig. You don't fuck with
That's the you dig.
Yeah, they hammering the you dig. No. He don't know. You got to get the piece. They still got the. You can still order that. And this one is quick. He got the Cadillac.
It's like he ain't been riding this motherfucker in a long time with that old ass McDonald's.
He got the Cadillac sign on this motherfucker.
Oh yeah, you can tell when he pulled this motherfucker out, he had some hoes. Nah, just playing. He was doing something, man.
Back in the early 80s. This car was the shit, early 80s.
Shit, like we was saying yesterday, I forgot who I was talking to, but it was a lot of Cadillacs that dropped in Milwaukee this year. You noticed that?
You got the 4.6x9s in the back, like back in the day. 4.6x9s in the dashboard. Ass Pioneer deck in there.
You got a Pioneer radio?
CD in.
Oh yeah. Also, they dogs just come out and go across the alley, huh?
They dogs do what they want.
Oh hell no.
They go everywhere. Don't nobody fuck with them.
Bet they ain't gonna fuck with them. Look at them. Them the shop dogs. Them the shop dogs for real. I'm a dog man like a motherfucker, but I just don't trust dogs as far as more than one together. I think a motherfucker go fight or something.
I hate dogs.
Then I gotta be the one to get my shit fucked up, breaking it up.
I got a couple people that got some decent dogs that I fuck with. Like they dogs, I don't fuck with they dogs. Now you might decide to go off one day. Look at it.
I bet you if they get to yelling or some shit, then motherfuckers gonna get on that. I bet.
Dude don't bark before.
Now I bet you go in there and grab one of them niggas by the arm or something. That motherfucker go grab you by the arm. What you do, ballin'?
How you feeling, baby?
Good. Where the hoes at? Oh shit, snap. I gotta get him down here. I gotta get him down. Look good, man. Yeah, y'all been tuning in. I've been tuning in, watching too, man. I love y'all. Oh, they fixed your shit already? Man, I'm finna put up the Don house. I just rolled past and he said he was finna come outside on the porch. I'm finna go smoke up his Mary Jane. Pull up outside this shit real quick.
What we was yesterday?
Yeah. Who that is? One time? Who that is? One time? I was finna say, oh shit.
Nigga called you one time.
Oh man, why gotta be one time?
Cause I saw you down there in the alley. I saw you way down there.
Out the garage.
And I'm thinking to myself like,
One time. Like,
I'm thinking to myself like, they watching the P. Okay.
Nah,
all right.
man.
Let me
It's
smile.
protection group,
Let me
man.
smile for the pictures.
Come out the garage.
Look at that. Good, man. What you on?
Working, man. I go to work.
You a security guard? Where at?
You
You got the lights and all, boy.
Nah, man. Don't tell this truck.
I need you on the lane, G.
We gonna talk.
We need you at the yeah, so you can go tell them before the police get there, like, hey, bro, you're supposed to be right there. You know what I mean? I want the KG.
What's that? What?
Bro, we was just talking about that big ass horse. Motherfucker 7 months old.
supposed to be baby.
Man,
He ate the baby.
oh God.
Y'all know what he's on the side.
Who's on the south side?
Oh,
KG.
we was going the same way.
The day before yesterday. But yeah, though, man. I just wanted to tune in, type in, let y'all know. Y'all motivating me. We going up. And one thing I do want to tell y'all, if y'all doing something right now and you feel like you really ain't doing shit with it or it ain't going nowhere, don't stop, nigga. Because every time you get to your breaking point and you be like, I don't want to do it no more, I swear to fucking God, do it that last time. I promise you. When you give up and you like, it's over with, it's over with, it's over with, try one more time. I know you tried a lot of times, but try one more time. Watch what happens. For an example, the box. Y'all know the box was fucked up, and y'all know they ain't fixed nothing on the box. Y'all know they ain't fixed nothing on the box. But I know I got a blessing behind this whole feng shui. This whole you did. I know I do. Why? Because I tried it one more time. When the police told me to start up, see if I get up the lot, I tried it one more time, and I drove it all the way back to the north side with no problems, and still been out driving. And still been out driving nonstop. Yeah, I tried my last time. Well, I thought it was gonna be my last time, and that bitch started up. No bullshit, never give up. I gave up on YouTube a couple months too. I'm sure y'all noticed. Y'all noticed when I stopped making videos and I was posting maybe once every other week, 2 times a month type shit. I was really giving up. And guess what got me back out here vlogging like I'm doing right now? It's not the weather. It was really the everybody that I've been seeing in the clubs and the bars. Everywhere I go, the love is strong. It's so strong that when y'all talk y'all shit, like, bro, I watch you every day. Bro, I'm waiting on you to drop. Shit like that really makes me look at myself and be like, bro, you fucking up. Fuck is you doing? They waiting on you, bro. They watching you. So y'all is the ones that keep motivating me and pushing me to keep dropping videos, because every day I come out, somebody give me words of encouragement, somebody motivating me to keep going, and I keep going. Y'all see it. Now I want to motivate y'all to keep doing whatever you're doing. If you need help with advertising, y'all know y'all can hit me up. Just run into me like I'm doing right now. Talk your shit, man. Whole commercial, do your thing. I'll come to your business, all that shit. But really though, it's all love. Another rim finna come get fixed. What you was finna say?
Oh, nothing for the camera.
Look at that.
Calling me for.
Book APE. You know
What?
I was
So with
telling
security, how can they get in contact with you?
what I'm saying? Oh, yeah, APProtectionGroup.com.
Yeah, right.
Or AP Protection Group on Instagram. Go to IG right there.
Oh shit.
Yep, IG right there. This truck is an old truck. You ought to see the other truck.
You gotta see the other work vehicles.
This is an everyday truck. We got black trucks, everything.
Oh shit.
We do executive protection on security. We travel in and out of town. One of y'all favorite celebrities is one of our main principals.
Oh yeah.
Yes. So
Mm-hmm.
if the people who know. I ain't gonna,
God damn it.
But shit, let me get up out of here. I'm about to go to work.
All right,
Love, brother.
Love,
So,
brother. Uncle Tone. Tone out here on Glaze.
You look like you broke.
Big.